I won't show the full video because it's too distressing. Where the video stops, the motorcyclist encountered a vehicle travelling the wrong way. The rider didn't survive. Clearly, the main cause of the collision was the driver's error, but a significant factor was the rider's decision to treat the curve like a racetrack. Cutting to the inside of the corner limited his view, but he failed to reduce speed to match. Yes, the vehicle was moving towards him, but I doubt he could have taken evasive action had there been a stationary vehicle in the lane. But it's not just catastrophic errors like this we need to be alert to. Meeting an oncoming vehicle is always possible, even on roads with two marked lanes. Wide vehicles usually have an escort preceding them, but I've encountered combine harvesters moving without one. And on single track roads, what if we meet a vehicle coming the other way? What does that mean if we're riding to the limit point?